أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Esteemed deserving Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, and all other teaching and non-teaching staff, dear students, and whoever is listening to my voice, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I feel overwhelming happiness to be in front of you, to be a part of such a wonderful and such a beautiful day, having such an utmost importance in the life of every living creature living on this planet. We all are here to celebrate, to commemorate World Water Day in order to inculcate awareness and inspire actions in all of us to tackle the ongoing crisis in the world. Water is the essence of life. All of us know about it. However, despite its importance and its being a limited resource on our earth, we are using it carelessly and wastefully. It is a limited resource and is running out at a very rapid rate. On the other hand, the population of the world is increasing at an unprecedented rate. With the same speed, with the parallel speed, the need and demand of the water is also increasing. I have some statistics with me based on the surveys conducted by some international organizations in the year 2021. According to the survey, 1.4 million people die annually and 74 million have their lives shortened by diseases related to poor water sanitation and hygiene. Also, 1 in every 4 persons, which contributes about 2 billion of the total population, worldwide lack safe drinking water. Almost half of the global population, about 3.6 billion, not a joke, lack safe sanitation. And last but not the least, and very much important, very important, global water demand is projected to increase by about 55% by the year 2050. These figures are a clear-cut proof evidence about the future we are heading towards, and no one of us would like to be living. Water crisis affects everyone in this globe, in this world, and everyone can play its part. Everyone makes a difference. We can do some simple tasks, some simple tips. We can follow some tips in our daily course and daily activities, which will help us in conserve water and help us in using optimally the water. Like, for example, one of our students elaborated a few points like we should check leaks in our domestic pipelines, etc., etc., or while making wudu, we should not use excessive water. Today, let's not limit this day as a day of raising slogans, banners, and conducting seminars only. Let's make a pledge to use water judiciously and think about the people that are not able to arrange for themselves a few liters of water and for the coming generations. Thank you very much. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.